So, motion graphic on your browser. This topic seems a little weird, but it's true. Yeah, you can motion graphic on your browser. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how. So, what you have to just do is just go to your any browser, go to the link in the description, or you can just type jitter.co. When you will open that, it will ask you to sign in, but I have already signed in. When you will sign in, you will get an interface like this, and it seems pretty cool. Now what you have to just do is go to new file, and then you will get an interface like this. Here are some tools like a text tool. Let's just enter some text by it. Okay, so I have added the text subscribe, and now I'm going to be telling you how to create this, how to turn this into motion graphic. Okay, after doing this, entering your text, go to animate, and here click on new animation, and you will get some animation. Boom, I told you. And when you will just choose one, you can just adjust that like this, or it's your choice. And travel distance, you can choose this anything, you can choose it anything. And the duration, you can also like choose the duration by here by dragging this. And you can also just choose the order like backward, and also the delay. So now you know how to do motion graphic. But what if you have to do automatic motion graphic? You will just enter text and you will get the animation. Let me show you. Go to the second website. I have given the link in the description down below, and or you can just manually type snackthis.co. Here scroll down and go to create awesome text effects. Just press it, and here you can just enter any text like, again, subscribe. I have entered this. Now you can just simply press this arrow, and this will create some animations for you. As you can see, these all are free, but this one you will get some difficulties while downloading them. Like if you like something, like I like this animation, let me click here. Now you can also adjust the size of this like as you want. Like I want 69, and you can also choose the colors, or you can just like do custom animations. And you cannot download that. It will ask you to buy this or subscribe this for $7 a month. But I got a trick for you. If you are on Windows, just press Windows plus G, and you will get a window like this, and a window like this. Here just press on this option, start recording, and then it will start recording your screen. And just wait till the animation finish like this, and stop that. In your editing software, crop these boundaries, and you can just use this for free. But still support these creators, so you can just purchase the subscription, which is $7 a month. And say like this is not same in like this jitter.video, because you just go to export, and here like if you have to export this on 1080 pixels, then you have to pay. But if you have to pay, but if you have to download in 720 pixel, you can download that for free. Now that is only for today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Definitely gonna be meeting you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.